Welcome back, Delicious and Nutritious. I am excited to be back with all of you guys because, man, I have never been more passionate about health as of right now. And not just because I am in London, but because I've found one of my favorite and honestly, maybe one of the most conscious organic grocery stores I have ever seen in my life. Not only is this place fantastic, not only is the ambiance incredible, but also, guys, this specific place has organic sushi. The first ever organic sushi, honestly, that I think I might have ever seen in my life, but most importantly, definitely in the UK. So I'm gonna take you guys through a tour of Planet Organic, which is always in the pinned comments of all of my videos whenever I do a tour about a restaurant, about a place that is able to be found, even the recipes. You guys know I want to give you guys as much information as possible. Why is organic important? Number one, it is going to reduce the amount of chemicals that you are ingesting. Number two, it increases the nutrient density of that plant and it respects the environment, which is what causes that nutrient density to be so high, because in organic farming, it requires you to churn over fields as opposed to conventional farming that doesn't have much respect for the earth. Not only is it inducing a ton of pesticides, herbicides, chemicals, basically anything into your food, including modified organisms that your body does not even recognize when trying to break down, but it also doesn't require the crops to go from rotational periods when it's harvesting. And what does that do? That depletes the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients that are going into those. So seeing a conventional and non-conventional, you might have to eat 3 to 4 times the amount of conventional to get the same amount of nutrient density that is in an organic. But then if you eat 3 to 4 times the amount of that fruit, you're getting 3 to 4 times the amount of pesticides, herbicides, chemicals, modified organisms that your body doesn't even know what they are. So there's a lot of toxicity in conventional farming, and that's why organic is so incredibly important. And that's why I'm a massive believer, and that's why everything I do here is to help you guys become more conscious. So we are gonna jump into Planet Organic in London. This store has really impressed me. It takes a lot to impress me, but this store has truly done it. Let's jump in, come on. So coming right off, as soon as we get into the store, man, we have an awesome organic section. Okay, so one of my favorite things that I have seen here, that's gonna be called the Organic Food Bar. It is Active Greens chocolate covered. It's incredible. It tastes amazing. It has like greens in the bar. It's something that's been very impressive. And then the other thing that always impresses me is when you have a place that is 100% organic as far as all of their food and produce goes. All of this is organic, 100% organic. How much better does it get than that when you don't actually have to read a label? Like when you go into Whole Foods, no, diss to them, but they do conventional and organic. But here, you don't even have to worry about it because anything you grab from this section is gonna be organic, and that is rest assured. And then obviously the ambiance in this store is incredible. They even have like aloe plants and other things like that. Just to, all the touches around the store are just marvelous. I can actually feel how much more calm the energy is in this store, and the ambiance and the energy, because everything vibrates, right? All the energy that this food is vibrating is at a peaceful resonance, as opposed to other grocery stores that are very like chaotic and kind of stressful feeling. This store feels peaceful, makes my body go at ease, makes my cells go at ease, and my nervous system feels very at ease when I'm in this store. Okay, and we are at the sushi. So this sushi is so next level because it is black rice, salmon, and seaweed roll. So we're getting midnight rice, which is gonna have more phytonutrients in it. We are getting all organic sushi, and it's actually not even raw. I'm not a huge component or a fan of raw sushi. To be honest with you guys, you have a much higher potential of getting a parasite from raw sushi. So anytime you have the ability to get regular sushi that's cooked is much better in my opinion. And man, organic sushi is nuts. I can't believe it. They have great bowls and they have really good keto, paleo options too here that I have tried. These things are really, really tasty. Very, very low sugar, if any sugar at all. And then obviously, we have all the snacks that you guys do see here. Super delicious. I mean, dude, this store takes it to the next level. And also one of my other favorite things is they have these organic bone broth soups. So this is gonna be organic Thai chicken bone broth with chili and lemongrass. Extremely delicious. I already had this one. They have a ginger and chicken bone one. And then they have a beef with bone broth. And I was looking at a lot of their ingredients because whenever I come into organic stores, I'm always like, okay, are they using rapeseed or canola oil, which is terrible for us. And this store does not. In any of their things, I did not see any of that. So once again, thoroughly impressed. We're gonna take you around a little bit and then we're gonna go into the supplement section, which is even more impressive here. get into the supplement section. This place has absolutely blown my mind with supplements. I'm a huge proponent and supporter of supplements. I believe with all the stress that's in our environments and everything that we come into contact, we need to support our body at a next level. We are no longer what we were as nature intended us to be. We have so much more going on all times. The concept that we can get everything from our food just doesn't really make sense to me anymore, because number one, our food, even organic, is slightly getting depleted in nutrients, and then we're getting so much more stressors as far as what life throws at us. So supplementing the body is incredible. So we have workout supplements over here. We have the energy and detox. We have natural feminine hair care. We have vitamins, minerals, gut health. We have just basically everything that's going on here is crazy. Organic vitamins. We have wild nutrition. We have great organic skincare as well. And then we have a juice bar over here as well, which we are gonna show you here in a second, including candles that I love. I love candles. So yeah, everything on here is hitting at a different level for me. Okay, that store is fantastic. They have almost everything in the possible world that I would ever want in that store. They have vegan desserts, everything from dairy-free cheese to organic produce to some of the best chocolate that I've ever had. And then they also have these smoothies. I got a large one the other day, which was a liter, but this one is just a regular size. This is something that I always go for when I go to these places, is I want juice, but I don't want any fruit in my juice. I want literally the greenest green. I don't want any sweet. This is perfect. It's cucumber, kale, spinach, a little bit of ginger, some lemon. There's literally no fruit in here. It's just purely greens. That's all I want. I'm not looking for the sugar. I'm not looking for the kick. I'm looking for the refreshment, the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients, the phytonutrients, the antioxidants, everything that you do get in here. Try out one of those bars that I told you guys about. Try out some of the keto cake, the organic sushi, and treat your body to what it deserves. And that's gonna be health, healing, and wellness at Planet Organic in London, England. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys being here. And we're gonna keep changing the world one bite at a time here at Delicious and Nutritious. Hope you guys have a fantastic day.